You lived to be yours wife. They had a difficult life because he was poor and had no money, not enough food, and no extra clothes. You woke up every morning and felt sorry to her to be his wife, but you never complained about their hard life. She just told you to work hard. Giờ thế li lọ hòa gió bỏ nè, gỡ nhau lúc ninh trở nhẹ cơ, vì gió yếu ý tu ninh lùa, chỉ mua nhẹ, chỉ mua gió mỏ dầu no, thế chỉ mua chỉ cho lọ lòng, xua tay kỳ, gió sợ lọ, nâng nhau xế tìa ô cha, giờ yếu lọ hòa nữ bỏ nè, nhau lúc ninh trở nhẹ ô lùa. Ta xì, giờ yên chín đông cho, gỡ lúc ninh trở nhẹ li. Giờ chùa hai tôi gió, còn nữ mò xế khử sư. You tried very hard to do his best to bring food to the table. They both worked very hard to help each other. One day, Yer and Yaw was taking a break from their farming work. Yer was cleaning and sweeping the house. While she was cleaning near the stove, she saw an old piece of wood lying next to the stove. She grabbed that piece of wood and lifted it up. Yo cụ cho xin cho khử gọn gỡ, mua rau mò cho sổ trong. Gỡ ó lên, bỏ lên xí bán đồng, khử nó khử hậu. Mua ý nu, gỡ giờ lò xò chỉ một ổ lia ổ tê, giờ chẳng lò tuôn gỡ lúc chế. Nữ chế thiết chuột chế lò cho tròn đờ, lúc khó cho. Nữ bỏ ý đầy chiên đồng cố cố, nhỏ tròn đờ ý xa khó cho. Nữ giờ chế tê, mù cha đầy chiên đồng. When she moved the piece of wood out of the way, there was a big black metal box under. The box was unlocked and she opened it. She found pots of gold and silver. She was so happy and called y'all. Hey y'all, come here and see what I have found. Since they found those pots of gold and silver, y'all was not longer worried about your suffering. Thảo nữ mua đại chiên đồng chế tờ, nhớ cho hậu cá mua y lú thở, lau xì đu, lú thở lau chỉ lia. Giờ mua khí plò, ua chà nhớ cho hậu, mua hôn đi nhiên đi cún đồng đào. Giờ rong xế hẹn, chế nữ chia hù gió. Hey gió, có lò sái nò xế, cú bỏ đã chỉ tìa. Chỉ thằng gỡ bỏ cho hú nhẹ hú cú lò. Gió chính gió chơ tròn giờ cho kế cho nhẹ lờ.